So, Ralph, I'm looking for utilities that are getting de-risked, so to speak. They have some risk in terms of exposure to different power that they might want to sell. They get out of that, and suddenly the worry that I have is gone, and that is PSE&G, right?
That's exactly right. We announced in July we were going to basically exit all parts of the merchant power business that did not include carbon-free energy.
Now, you do rely on what I think is a fantastic, clean form of energy, but is out of fashion in our country, nuclear. Are you worried that the new administration may not be pro-nuclear, or worried that there are going to be issues involving certification that seem unfair, given the fact that you really should be giving credit for that clean energy that they generate?
No, fortunately, I'm hearing just the opposite, Jim. I'm hearing that the new administration recognizes that even though the nation gets only 20% of its electricity from nuclear, it represents more than 50% of its carbon-free energy, and they're going to embrace more of a technology-neutral carbon-free approach. So that should actually put existing nuclear in a better place. Whether or not we can get something through Congress remains to be seen.
Right. Now, it's funny. Offshore wind was notoriously expensive. And nuclear power is expensive. I'm not sure if you can comment whether nuclear power will ever come back, so to speak, and they have all those problems at Southern. But the cost for your wind project with Ørsted has come down so dramatically that I got to believe you might want to exercise that 50% ownership.
Well, so that's a very good point. The cost for offshore wind is coming down. Some of the earliest projects were $200 a megawatt hour. The Ørsted project in New Jersey is under $100 per megawatt hour. And that's all about developing the domestic supply chain to support the industry. It's a brand new industry, so that supply chain doesn't exist. So some workarounds are having to take place that as that supply chain gets developed, those prices will continue to drop.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.